Well, hello everybody. Welcome to Rat Dog Bicycles. I'm Byron, and we're going to get back onto this hyper behind me. I think I'm going to start with the V-brakes. So, get you up a little bit higher. Okay. Get you over in the view. Get it up a little bit higher. There we go. Let's see. What? Okay. Bottom. I've already put some grease on the V-brake posts, so they've already got grease on it. Drop my Allen key. Flip it. slinging stuff, making a mess. Okay, where am I at here? Go. Drop the washer. Right. I don't have it in the right hole. Oh my. Pull it back into the right hole. There we go. Oh yeah. That'll work. There we go. Sorry about that. I guess sometimes accidents happen. Sorry. My hands out of the shot and see more what's going on. I'm trying to get a little bit better at doing this, guys. Oh. Okay. Got them all on. Okay. Okay. Kind of want to stop there and talk about something. When I wasn't making too many videos, I was kind of emotionally strapped, drained. My wife just recently passed away in December 1st, 2025, right before Christmas. So I'm trying to get back in to doing bicycles a little more because I got a lot more free time. She was ill for 2 years and she had kidney failure and she was doing dialysis and she slowly went downhill. So I was, had to take early retirement and take care of her and this, that, and the other. So that's why I'm trying to get back into bicycling, because I have all my time freed up now. So I'm still retired. So hopefully I can do some things. And I just thought I'd throw that in there. A long time ago I was explaining why I was, not putting out any videos, and I was off not doing videos. And that's the reason why. So with all that being said, I think I'm going to stop right here on this one and figure out what I'm going to do. I'm not too sure about the cockpit. I was asked about that in the comments. I kind of want to do something with these forks. They don't function at all. They don't move at all. So I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do with those. I just might just put a pair of front forks on there, black ones, and be done with it instead of having it suspension. So I don't know yet. So y'all have a good day, a good weekend, whatever y'all are having right now. Y'all keep riding your bicycles, and y'all have a good one.